Today we are learning about Ooty packages provided by MMK Tourism. Ooty is a popular hill station located in Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. The landscape is covered with rolling hills with dense vegetation. Ooty is not a destination in itself as much as it is a focal point of attraction. You can easily reach Ooty by toy trains. In summers, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 10 degrees Celsius, whereas in winter, temperature is 21 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. Best season to visit Ooty is February to May and September to November, whereas you can visit Ooty at any time of the year. In Ooty, you can visit Botanical Garden, Ooty Rose Garden, Sims Park, the Tea Factory, Falls and Paikara, and Eco Rock. MMK Tourism provides best tourist packages, both standard and economical. Here we have some mesmerizing views of the place. To book the package, kindly contact